Do you own a Husqvarna Viking Onyx 30 or thinking of purchasing this machine? Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, where we do free video tutorials on machines, sergers, and embroidery machines to help you learn to use the machine you've purchased or check out a machine before you buy it. So this machine in our store at Heirloom Creations in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, has been named Sharon's machine. Sharon is one of our gals that works for us, and she always finds the right person for this machine. Or maybe she's finding this machine the right forever home. So we've kind of named this Sharon's machine because it fits so many people's list of what they want on a sewing machine. Maybe they're just getting started and want just enough growing in room, or they haven't sewed for years, or maybe they just have an old sewing machine, but they don't want to spend a lot of money, but they need a newer machine. Because this machine is so affordable and has so many features, when it sits with all of our other brands of machines, it actually has the most bang for your dollar. So if that is why you bought this machine, I can't wait to show you all the cool things it does. It does have over 150 stitches. It has 2 alphabets, which means it has a memory. It has a thread cutter. Now that's usually the selling feature for this machine, and a needle threader, of course. If you're a garment sewer, it does actually have a free arm. And it has the adjustments for like speed control if you're having a youngster using it. It's just really an all-around easy to use machine with a lot of features that people are looking for. Again, without the high price tag. So if you have a Husqvarna Viking store in your area, go check out this model. It's pretty cool. So what it does come with is just a soft case. I'm gonna go through all the accessories that it comes with. Foot control and power cord are slid on the side here. It does come with a printed manual. If you lose this, there is a download option on Husqvarna Viking's website. And I'm gonna actually do a little trick of flipping this over to get the machine out of the box, the easiest, because it's got the styrofoam that comes in on both sides. Watch this. Wasn't that easy? This machine does have a handle, so when you travel or take it to a class, it actually is very portable and not too heavy. So if you are looking for maybe a second machine, maybe you already own a Husqvarna Viking, all the Husqvarna Viking feet fit this machine. Okay, most of them, but they do have that same clip-on that you already have on your other machine. So our goal with our videos is to take you through short videos that have all the information from your manual. So pretty much we do a video on every page of your manual. Sometimes hearing it, seeing it is a little bit easier than reading it, but everything you need to reference, even I reference the manual from time to time, is all in here in one place. So sometimes hearing it first, then reading it is actually quite helpful. I always tell my students is after they take a class from me is to go home and then read the manual. Sometimes it doesn't always make sense if you don't have like a way to connect it to something that you're actually doing. I use this from when I don't always remember a certain sequence a machine needs to be operated in to get the result that I'm looking for. This is always my helpful guide. So once I get this plugged in, you can see that we have a free arm, and inside the bottom of the free arm is the quick reference little card. So if you find that first, pull it out, and I'll show you where you can attach it, kind of keep it close by. This is actually kind of a stitch guide. So if you're working on certain fabrics and you're wanting to do certain techniques, everything is listed for like what settings you might adjust for, say, a stretchy fabric or a heavy fabric. So in one of our videos coming up, you will find this. Plus, we do have in the description below this video, so go ahead and click. If you're on a phone, you might have to click more so it will show up. We'll put links to the manual, We'll put links to quality thread, and that's something that we'll talk about throughout the videos. Quality thread can make all the difference in a sewing machine. So if you're not using great thread, you are probably going to get mediocre results. So needles, another thing. So if you don't have access to quality thread or needles, there are some links below that will help you get started. So the products that you use with this machine will change your outcome. Just like cooking, better quality ingredients do give you a better tasting meal. So if you're ready to dive into this, we do ask you that when you do watch one of our videos to say thank you, you want to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then as new videos come out, you can take a look at all the new, keep you updated trends and sewing machines that are coming out in the future. Let's get started.